Here's 3 examples of Lightning Ridge Nobby Opal encased in its parent clay overburden, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see there is the reflection of the lights. This piece hasn't got a lot of colour, whether it's got more material inside. No. Interesting here, there's a hole, goes right in. Wonder what that was, maybe a piece of timber, fossil. This piece has got a, apart from having a dog hair on it, blue flash in here. Whether you'd want to try to cut it or not, I don't know. But you can see little tiny knobbies forming in the little cavities. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.